So if you're interested in signing up for coaching with me, you can. Lots of space open. I tell my students, you want to go for products that you make at least a minimum of $10 profit. You don't want to be under that. It's easy to go under that because there is a whole world of products where you can make $5 profit from, and it might be a great start for you, but your goal should be $10 profit from each product, because you'll be able to quit your job. You'll be able to do whatever you want by making $10 profit. Listen, if you were making $5 profit and selling 1,000 units a month, and all of a sudden you're just like, okay, let me just switch the mindset from making $5 on a unit. So let me find things that I can make 10. You just doubled your money. You just doubled your money. So if you went from $5 at 1,000, so $5,000 a month profit, and just change your mindset, literally just flick the switch and just started searching for inventory that you can make 10. Of course, the capital up front on each one's going to be a little bit higher, but the turnover is still the same. You could sell, I'll give you an example. Let's say you sell 1,000 products a month at $5 profit. That's $5,000 profit a month you're going to make if you're running $1,000 a month of inventory. The mindset changes. You go, okay, I'm going to change my mindset, like Coach said. I'm going to change my mindset. I'm going to go to $10 products. I'm not settling. 10 or up. And let's say you're only able to find 100. Okay, you didn't find 1,000. Your quota is 1,000. What you're going to need to do is work a little bit harder, but send that 100 in. That stuff is going to start to sell. And all of a sudden, there's going to be 900 sold of things that are worth $5 and 100 sold of things that are worth $10. All of a sudden, your income is growing, and all you did was change your mindset. Then next buy, maybe you're able to find 300 things. Send that in. Stop buying the stuff that you're only making $5 from. Start buying the things that you're making $10 from. And all of a sudden now you're selling 6 to 4 ratio. Soon it's going to be a flip where it's going to be more things that you're making $10 from and less things that you're making $5 from. And you're going to be thanking me because it's just simply a mindset change. And then you're going to go to the next mindset things. Let me find things I make $20 from. Minimum. Now I don't want things that make things that make $20 from. Now you're in a different class, and the same thing applies. Your capital up front might be like what it was to buy the Back to the Future Transformer car. You may need to spend $45 up front instead of $5. But every sale that comes through now, it's $25 instead of $5. So you don't have to wait for 5 of them to be. If you were to sell $25 of everything that you sold and 1,000 of them a month, that's $25,000 a month profit that you're making because your mindset is different. Okay, but it's a gradual thing, and that gradual thing is just something you have to flick the switch to be able to execute, and you have to have some cash flow. But listen, if you're running 1,000 units a month, you shouldn't be going for things that are $5. You should be going for products that make you $10, $15, $20 minimum. And then, hey, worst case scenario, if you have to clear some of that inventory out and drop the price wherever to a $10 point or to a $5 point, fair enough. But you can. Don't be in a situation where you can't. That's where a lot of people get into trouble. All right. Again, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Comment below, and I'll show some love to your comments, and I'll definitely get back to you guys. Alright guys, I am done. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, smash the subscribe button, leave me a comment below, and I will put a heart on your comment, and I'll talk to you. I will say what's up. I will see you guys in the next video. Coach Chris Beck, the wise guy, right here on YouTube.